Welcome to Beauty Garage. I'm Chris Dale, and today we're going to be working on our Acura Integra project car. We're going to be flocking the dash, and this is literally the whole kit, so let's do it. Yeah.
That begins many years ago. Find out together.
The most powerful underground espionage agent in the Western Hemisphere. I've been trying to get my hands on him for years. What's his next move?
But since you asked, I'll give it.
All right, the dash is out. I'm very sweaty and tired, but that's out. So I'm gonna go take a break and drink some water. It's time for sponsor share. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below. All right, now it's time to start flocking the dash. This is a very time-sensitive project. I have 10 to 15 minutes to get all of the adhesive on the dash and then start flocking almost immediately. So I should probably grab this right now. Now that the dash is flocked, it looks amazing for one. I have to shake off the excess and blow off the excess, and then it's time to put it in.
You know, Brock, you remind me of someone.
Oh hey, if you're seeing items on this table, that means we've got more content for you going into the car right behind me. So remember, click that subscribe button and ring that bell.
Let's see who you are behind that mask.
All right, the dash is flocked and looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to start driving this car around. Have you ever flocked anything? If you have, what was it? And was it difficult? Because this was kind of a pain in the butt. Just let us know in the comments below how that went, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.